Hello everyone, welcome to this video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can make Instagram stories better quality. So when you're posting an Instagram story and when you rewatch it just to see how it looks, you can see that it looks extremely bad. It's pixelated, bad brightness or low FPS. Then here's a really easy way to make your Instagram stories a lot better quality. So in order to do this, the first thing what we're going to do is head into our settings app over on our iPhone, and this will also work on your Android. And literally all you need to do then is you want to scroll down until you find your camera app either on your iPhone or Android, because within Android and iPhone you can actually change the camera quality. So literally right here you can see record video, and you want to make sure that record video is set to 4K at 60 FPS at the highest efficiency, and you want to make sure that record slow-mo is also set at the highest efficiency, just like this. And that will make sure that your entire camera quality is at the highest possible quality, which of course making your Instagram stories also a lot better quality. Now the second thing you might want to do is head over to your Instagram app like this, and you want to actually go to your profile picture right here, and you want to go to the top right corner of your screen at those little three stripes. And literally then all you need to do is click on settings and privacy, and in the search bar what you need to type in is media quality right here. And yes, it already says media quality. It literally means uploading at the highest quality, and you want to make sure that upload at highest quality is enabled, because if you have this disabled, then just Instagram will compress your videos a little bit in order to make your upload speed a bit quicker, but we don't really care about that. We just want the highest quality, so make sure that that's enabled, and that should definitely improve your story quality. So I would recommend testing those two options out, and let me know down in the comments if this fixed the issue for you. If you did so, please consider liking this video and subscribing to my channel, and I hope I will see you in my next YouTube tutorial video.